The highlights of today's defense news, 20th of August 25. Assam Rifles partners with IIIT Manipur to boost drone technology for defense. Maharashtra inks deal with IIT Madras startup to build Hyperloop between JNPT Vadhavan Port. Anti-drone unit Hawkeye established in border areas of Ferozepur. Marine Electrical secures 17.36 crore control panel order from Allweiler. IIT Madras inks 1 crore deal to license India's first silicon photonic quantum random number generator to industry. Bahrain to strengthen strike power with US HIMARS rocket artillery system. Finnish firm KNL to supply cognitive manpower radios to Finland, Sweden. HEKA launches next generation systems to improve speed, precision in military aerospace. Raytheon signs MOU with Diehl Defence for Stinger missile co-production. Pakistan establishes rocket force, unveils new missile. Firefly signs agreement to study alpha launches from Japan. BlackSky secures seven-figure contract with HEO to expand automated space domain imaging. Briggs Marine awarded contract for Royal Navy Maritime Services. Lockheed Martin secures $110 million contract for Trident II D5 ballistic missile production support. Kongsberg to supply Australian Navy with NSM launchers. Australia invests $1.5 billion in defense distribution network. ASFAT unveils design of Turkey's first TF-2000 air and missile defense destroyer. Saab acquires Deform AB to strengthen supply chain for Blacking-class submarine program. A look at the news in detail. Assam Rifles has entered into an agreement with the Indian Institute of Information Technology Manipur to advance the use of drone technology in defense and security operations. The MOU was signed on 18th of August at Mantri Pokri in Imphal. The collaboration is aimed at strengthening surveillance, reconnaissance, and logistics support through indigenous drone systems. As part of the initiative, an advanced drone training and refresher course was launched to equip Assam Rifles personnel with skills in drone flight operations, maintenance, and DGCA certified training. Hyperloop, a transport technology still being tested in labs across the world, may soon debut on Maharashtra's coastline as a high-speed cargo corridor from Jawaharlal Nehru Port Trust in Navi Mumbai to the upcoming Vadhavan Port in Palghar district. The state government signed a strategic pact with TuTr Hyperloop, a deep tech startup incubated at IIT Madras, to build a linear induction motor based Hyperloop mobility system between JNPT and Vadhavan Port. Hyperloop, first popularized by entrepreneur Elon Musk in 2013, is an ultra high speed transport system where pods carrying passengers or cargo move through low pressure tubes. By cutting air resistance to near zero and using propulsion technologies like magnetic levitation or linear induction motors, Hyperloop promises airline speeds on the ground, theoretically over 1,000 kilometers per hour, but with low energy use and minimal emissions. So far, Hyperloop remains largely experimental, with test tracks in the US, Europe, and the Middle East. No country has built an operational corridor yet. Maharashtra's pact with TuTr therefore places it among the earliest government-backed testbeds worldwide. Unit Hawkeye established in the border areas of Firozepur. To enhance security and address challenges posed by drone activities from across the border, the Punjab government established an anti-drone unit in Firozpur on 19th of August. Punjab is the first state in India to deploy such a system in its border areas. The anti-drone system, Baz Ankh, that is Hawkeye, will be the second line of defense in the border districts in coordination with the Border Security Force. With the establishment of this unit in Ferozepur, the police and BSF will be able to neutralize drones movement with an automated alert technology which immediately notifies authorities upon detecting drone movement, thus eliminating the need for manual monitoring. Marine Electricals Limited, a small cap company specializing in electrical automation and ICT solutions, has secured a significant 17.36 crore domestic order from Allweiler, India for the supply of control panels. The deliveries are scheduled over the next 36 months. Established in 1978, Marine Electrical serves as a diverse clientele including the Indian Navy, Coast Guard, shipyards, ports, industries and the electrical vehicle sector. Its product portfolio spans electrical switchgear, automation systems and EV chargers ranging from 3.3 kilowatts to 240 kilowatts. Allweiler India, formerly known as Tushaco Pumps, is a leading manufacturer of positive displacement pumps and pumping systems in India. It operates as a subsidiary of Sircor International, a global provider of flow and motion control products. Headquartered in Thane in Maharashtra, Allweiler India has a strong legacy in engineering solutions for mission critical applications across diverse industries. IIT Madras has indigenously developed and licensed to industry India's first silicon photonics-based high-speed quantum random number generator QRNG in a deal worth 1 crore rupees. The Technology Transfer Office of IIT Madras signed the 1 crore licensing agreement on 18th of August with Indrarka Quantum Technologies for the commercial deployment of the silicon photonic QRNG. Developed at the Center for Programmable Photonic Integrated Circuits and Systems of IIT Madras, the milestone underscores the technology's strategic value and potential to advance India's quantum innovation ecosystem. Earlier, a prototype QRNG module was delivered to DYSL QT of DRDO. Subsequently, an advanced version of the QRNG module was developed and successfully deployed at the Society for Electronic Transactions and Security in Chennai for quantum security applications. This makes the technology indispensable for applications such as cryptographic algorithms, quantum key distribution, and secure IT infrastructure for military and defense purposes. Additionally, its utility spans diverse sectors, including scientific simulations, financial security, blockchain-based systems, one-time password generation, and even gaming applications that require robust randomization mechanisms. The global news. United States has approved a potential foreign military sale to the Kingdom of Bahrain worth $500 million for the acquisition of the M142 High Mobility Artillery Rocket System or HIMARS. The package includes 4 launchers, advanced command and control networks, and a full logistical and training support suite, underscoring a major leap forward in Bahrain's precision strike and deterrence capability. The deal covers 3 international field artillery tactical data systems, resupply vehicles fitted with load handling systems, reduced range practice rocket pods, and a broad array of support equipment including driver vision enhancers, GPS receivers, communications gear, simulators, generators, technical documentation, and spare parts. Lockheed Martin, the US defense prime responsible for HIMARS production, will serve as the principal contractor for the program, reinforcing its dominant role in American long-range strike exports. Finland and Sweden have jointly signed a €15 million contract with Finnish company KNL for the acquisition of cognitive networked high-frequency Manpack radios. Deliveries are expected to be completed by the end of this year. CNHF features real-time spectrum sensing, enabling the radio to scan more than 4,000 channels simultaneously and lock on to the optimal option in under a second. The system operates without operator input, continuously adjusting its transmission parameters to maintain stable links. It can function independently in satellite-denied environments, relying on asynchronous connections to operate without GPS. To support encrypted voice, data, and multimedia, the system creates resilient networks that extend from a few kilometers to several thousands. It features a simple design, requiring only a single day of training and standard interfaces that allows seamless integration into existing tactical communications and command and control systems. Florida-based firm HEKA has expanded its product portfolio, rolling out new aerospace and defense systems designed to meet today's fast-moving operational challenges. The company's internally developed technologies span simulation, navigation, and energy systems, reflecting a broad push to accelerate mission-ready capabilities. First in the lineup is HEKA Link, a digital twin and 6 degree of freedom flight controls design environment that enables real-time simulation, hardware in the loop testing, and operational flight program generation. Raytheon and Diehl Defence have signed a memorandum of understanding to co-produce key elements of the Stinger missile in Europe. This agreement lays the groundwork for the extension of production for Stinger missiles at Diehl Defence as part of the company's growth plan. Stinger is the surface-to-air missile of choice for 24 countries, including Germany and 9 other NATO members. The Stinger missile is a lightweight, combat-proven, and self-contained air defense system deployed by ground troops against cruise missiles and aircrafts. Firefly is exploring the possibility of launching its Alpha rocket from Japan's Hokkaido spaceport, marking a strategic move to expand its satellite launch services into the Asian market. The Texas-based company signed a preliminary agreement with Space Cotan, the spaceport operator, to conduct a feasibility study assessing regulatory requirements, investment needs, and timelines. If successful, Japan would become Firefly's first Asian and second offshore launch site following Sweden. The plan hinges on a US-Japan technology safeguards agreement, which is still under negotiation. Firefly aims to offer more resilient launch options for US allies and tap into Asia's growing demand for satellite deployment. With the MOU now in place, Space Cotan will begin defining the launch site operation concept, evaluating system requirements, and assessing licensing and regulatory requirements to launch Firefly's Alpha rocket from HOSPO. Located in Taiki, Japan, HOSPO is a commercial spaceport open to the private sector in Asia that offers many geographical advantages like an expensive sea to the east and south and a large landmass that allows for rapid expansion of the launch site. The suborbital launch site, Launch Complex O, is already in operation at HOSPO and developments are now underway on a new orbital launch site, Launch Complex 1. Has been plenty of technology and space news today. We hope you have enjoyed the news. Please do subscribe to our channel and do give us your feedback. Thank you and have a great day.